Welcome to Amazing Reviews. Do you have the problem that your games on the Windows computer only accept an Xbox controller, but you only have a PlayStation controller? Then I will show you in this short video how you can work around this with DS4Windows. You have to make your PC or the game believe that your PlayStation controller is an Xbox controller. More about this after the short intro. You can do this with a software like DS4Windows. First you have to download it, of course. To do this, enter DS4Windows in your browser. I download it now, for example at Chip. But you can also download it elsewhere. If you have the exe file on your computer, you have to install it by double-clicking on ET. At the end of the installation you will get a zip folder. In this folder you will find the application with the same name. When you click on it, you will be asked if you want to extract all files from the folder. Here you click yes. You select the location and a new folder appears. This folder now contains the final application, which also has the official logo of the software. Now you can start ET. What is missing at this point is to connect the controller to the PC. You can see how this works with Bluetooth in the video in the upper right corner. As soon as this is done, the software automatically recognizes the controller and assigns it the default mode of an Xbox controller. The default mode is a preset that simply assigns the buttons of the PlayStation controller the function of an Xbox controller. So the system thinks you are actually using an Xbox controller, even though you are not. Of course, you can customize the button assignment for yourself. If the software does not recognize your controller, try another bit version. I would also check if the driver is up to date. A reboot can also work wonders. I wish you a lot of fun while gaming. That's it from me. If I have helped you, please leave a subscription. A like and comment I take also gladly. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the next amazing reviews.